guys, welcome back to my channel, SimplySubrena. So as promised in the last video, I promised you guys a full week in my straight hair to see if my anti-humidity, like anti-frizz humidity blocking straight hair routine actually worked. So today is the first day, so I'm back. I know I have on the same outfit as my intro in the other one, but it's Sunday, beginning of the week, so I just went to church and I went like little grocery shopping, and now I'm back home. So this is first day hair. After we were leaving church, it was drizzling. Yes, it was drizzling. It was like a light drizzle, but nonetheless it was drizzling. I had to walk in the rain to my car, but for drizzling, hair is still straight. And I went to stores after that. So, you know, after it drizzles for a little bit, it's typically like nasty and muggy. But my hair is still holding up just fine. So, I'm back home. I'm not leaving for the rest of the day. Usually when I'm wearing my hair straight and I know I'm not going to leave my house for the rest of the day, I wrap my hair like immediately and then I just go about my business for the rest of the day. So that's what I'm going to do. So I do wrap my hair with a paddle brush. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I wrap my hair. I guess this is going to be how I wrap my hair plus a week in my straight hair, just to show you guys how my hair reacts for the week. This video might be all over the place. I probably ain't going to have this backdrop on every night. I'm not setting this up every night. So we might be in my bathroom, we might be on my bed, we might be in different places throughout the week. Okay? Y'all just gonna get what y'all get. So to wrap my hair, I have this silk like wrap with the Velcro wrap. It's very thin. It's kind of flimsy to me, but I use this for a smoothing effect. And then I use this one, which is like a mesh one, which is more heavy duty. And I put this over to kind of help it hold in place, but I didn't want this one like right on my edges or right on my hair because it feels a little aggressive, okay? And then of course just a new bonnet that I bought because my other one was looking raggedy because I had that one for years, so I just bought a new one. This was one like infused with argan oil, olive oil, you know, all that stuff. Yeah, so this is the first day. My hair is always weighed down on the first day, but actually since it rained and since it was humid, it actually gave it some of its body back. If you guys remember from my other video, my hair was like super sleek. So I kind of like the fact that it was a little humid because it doesn't revert my hair, but it fluffs it out, if you guys understand what I'm saying. So to wrap my hair, I typically comb out any tangles that could have possibly been in my hair. And then I'm going to use the the paddle brush to start wrapping. Because I have a middle part, I'm going to brush my hair to the front and then to the, you guys will just see. And for that way, it just helps me keep my part. I like using a brush versus a comb because the brush kind of forces your hair to stay where you put it versus a comb. I don't think a comb does the same thing. So it's just a regular wrap. And then I go in with my silky wrap first. And typically tie that. And then I move it around to kind of smooth any hair that I may have bunched up. Slip my edges under. So if your wrap is messed up, like, just go ahead and, you know, because it will fix itself. Alright. And then I just make sure all the ends are tucked. And then the hair that's left up here, this will get. So now that everything's in there, now we just go with this for the extra enforcement. And then this part holds that in. Put your bonnet on, and we good. So I will be back tomorrow to show you guys my hair. At the end of, I was gonna try to do it in the morning and at night. I don't know how I'm gonna do this yet, but we'll see. But yeah, so day 1 down, day 2 tomorrow. Okay guys, so it's day 2 and I just wanted to show you outside that it rained, as you can see. So outside is very humid. I probably look so greasy right now because I just came from outside. But this is my hair. So it rained. You can see how my hair is. It's really didn't do anything. My hair definitely has more body on day 2 because just like relaxed hair, my hair reacts the same. It's super limp and like dead on the first day, and then as the week goes on, I guess because it absorbs a lot of the product, so it gets fuller. So I like it. It's definitely more airy. So it's time. I'm gonna wrap it. So as the week goes on, I do like to use jojoba oil to wrap my hair, and I just put a little bit on the ends and then I'll rub whatever's left through my hair. And that's because for work I wear a lot of like cardigans and jackets, and you know that material can be kind of drying. So I just want to make sure my ends are taken care of, so we're not causing any unnecessary breakage or anything like that. So just like yesterday when I showed you guys, I am going to detangle my hair first with a wide tooth comb to get out any knots before I go in there with a brush, because I don't want to cause any breakage. And I'm going to take my earrings off because I am liable to rip them out. So I'm going to take my jojoba oil and literally just like a couple drops, not a lot, like literally not a lot. And I just go like over the ends really lightly to keep them moisturized. And then whatever is left here, I'm just gonna rub it through my hands, and especially the nape of my neck, because that's what really rubs on the back of clothes. And I like jojoba oil because it's really light, so my hair soaks this up by the time it's morning. It's not weighed down or anything like that. So just work it in on the ends, and then I'm just gonna wrap my hair. So as you can see, day 2, my hair is still straight, still flowy, no frizz, none of that. So I'm gonna wrap my hair off camera because I already showed you guys how I wrap my hair on day 1. And I will see you guys back for day 3 of my anti-humidity, anti-frizz straight hair. Hey guys, so I'm back. Don't mind my room in the back because it looks a mess. But this is day 3. I don't want to like, it's dark, hold on, because I don't feel like doing all of this. Okay, hey guys, sorry if the light looks crazy today. It's day 3, but I didn't feel like setting up my ring light right now. I probably should, but it's day 3. Let me zoom out. I have snacks on my nightstand. So it's day 3, and I just wanted to show you guys my hair really quick. I didn't wrap it yet. I'll wrap it later before I'm going to bed. But really quick, I just want to let you guys know, in the morning when I leave, it's really humid in the morning. Like all the cars are like covered with like a film of like water, like wetness. It's really humid. So I don't unwrap my hair when I first leave in the morning, because I have to take my son to school and then go to work. So I actually unwrap my hair in the parking lot at work, and then I go in, and then for the rest of the day it's whatever. So that's another little tip. If you leave really early in the morning and it's like super humid, I mean, I'm pretty sure my hair would have been fine, but it's just like you put in all that work. Why even like waste your time? So I just don't even bother unwrapping it. So I do drop my son off in my bonnet, and I don't care. I really don't. But this is day 3. This is my hair. You guys can see it is literally still very bone straight. It has all its body still, no frizz, still laid. So I will see you guys back for day 4. Hey guys, so we are on day 4. I'm using my phone camera because I really did not feel like I'm just kind of a mess. Don't look. I didn't feel like whipping out my actual camera, but this is day 4. Today is like very sunny, like very bright. It wasn't humid or like anything like that, so the weather was good. So this is my hair on day 4. So still silky straight, still got that bounce. Let me check that bounce. So yeah, my hair is literally laid, like super laid. So yeah, I'm home. I'm not going anywhere else for the rest of the day, so I'm just gonna wrap my hair, and yeah, that's really it. So day 4. So as you guys can see, like literally nothing's happening. As the week goes on, I'm getting more volume, but I think that's because I mess with my hair more. My hair is like soaking up any product that's in it, so it like gets its life back. It's not as weighed down. So it's weird because the older my hair gets, the more volume I get back in my hair. But yeah, day 4, success. Hey guys, so I'm in my bathroom. Sorry if the lighting is kind of but I just came. Let's keep this on. I just came from the gym. Today is day 5. So when I work out, I wear these sweatbands to like basically soak up the sweat, so my hair is not reverting back or anything like that. So this is what my hair looks like on day 5. I put it on a really loose like bun, and then I just bobby pinned the ends so they won't get like too crazy. So this is my hair, and as you can see, my roots didn't revert that much or anything. So let me take this out. So day 5, and hair is still out here flourishing, still being silky straight, still got volume and all of that. So yeah, and yeah, my roots are doing pretty good, and I just work out, and I typically sweat a lot when I work out, but the sweatbands like really help. So yeah, so all I'm gonna do is basically like just wrap it for the night so it can get back its shape. This morning when I dropped my son off, because I work from home on Thursdays and Fridays, so today's Thursday, so when I dropped my son off in the morning, I actually unwrapped my hair. I drop him off a little bit later. Usually I drop him off like at 7 to 7:10 in the morning. When I work from home, I drop him off like around 7:40, but it's still pretty humid. But I unwrapped my hair and then I dropped him off, and yeah, nothing happened. So it's still like very, very straight. So as you guys can see, these products, like, they really work. They really do what they're supposed to. I feel my roots back here getting a little, you know, thick, a little thick. It feels like it's probably, but that's probably from sweating, because the sweatband is only thick up here. The back just has this part to kind of keep it. So back there pretty much sweats, so that's why, versus the front isn't that bad because I have this to soak it up. So day 5, success, still super straight, no frizz, not puffing up anything. So I will see you guys back for day 6. Day 6 I do work out as well, because it's Friday. I work out Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, we're back, and today's day 6. I'm not gonna do day 7, you guys, because there's really no need. I'll be doing something to my hair. So it's day 6. I went spinning today, and I wrapped my hair the same way, so you guys can see my roots are pretty okay. In the back, I'm pretty sure it's really like starting to revert, because yeah. But you guys can see the length of my hair, and I did have my hair out today. It's still very silky straight. I'm gonna leave my hair in this ponytail because I'm going back to the gym tomorrow, so there's really no need to take it out. So yeah, so you guys can see my anti-frizz humidity blocking straight hair routine really works. Hair is still super straight. I'm gonna end this video here. I'm not gonna do day 7. I think tomorrow I'm gonna probably one curl my hair or something. I'm not sure, but a lot of you guys have been asking about, you know, for like a gym hair routine, but I really don't do much. I just put my hair in a really loose bun so it doesn't, like, you know, create any creases or anything like that, and put that my sweatband on to help my roots not revert back. I always do my hair on Saturdays, so by the time I start going to the gym, it's Thursday, so my hair would have been okay for the week. And when it starts to get old and stuff like that, it's the weekend, and it's usually time for me to do something with my hair because I'm usually bored of it being straight. So that's when I'll like do something to style it, either perm set, wand curl it, something. So yeah, but I love my current routine. My hair is literally it's like super straight. So yeah, that's it. Hey guys, real quick, I should have probably put on my lipstick before I started filming this, but oh well. So I wanted to show you guys my hair really quick. I'm not sure how I ended the video, but this is probably gonna be my outro. I am going on week 3 with my hair. So the second week has already passed. Actually, is it week? I think I might be going on week 4. But I wanted to come back. I've been wearing my hair in a bun because I've been working out and stuff. But I wanted to come back past the 1 week, even though I said a week in my hair journey. So week 2 already passed, so this would be the beginning of week 3. And I just wanted to show you guys my hair. So I've been wearing it up in a bun. I'm going to put it right back in a bun, actually, for today. But I wanted to show you guys the, like, length of my hair. Still literally no frizz, no nothing. My hair is still very straight, very sleek. So it works, you guys. It works. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I showed you guys enough of my hair. This is the roots, you know, I put like gel and stuff on it, so that's why my roots are like starting to revert back towards my edges. But the length of my hair, if I would have just kept wrapping my hair and not putting gel, I would have been fine. But yeah, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed a week in my hair journey. Definitely thumbs up this video if you did. If you would like to see more weeks in my hair journey. Even though I really don't do much, but I feel like I will start to do more to my hair now that I'm gonna have the time. I'm gonna be a lot freer. Now I'll talk to you guys about that probably in another video. But yeah, definitely thumbs up this video. I hope you guys like it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.